Okay, let's take a look at one of the story problems here, and we'll look at question 14. It's asking us to write a word problem that can be evaluated by the algebraic expression y minus 95 and evaluate it for 125. So we know what that part means. That means we're going to end up changing this into 125 and solving. So we're going to want to make a question that kind of matches up with these ideas. Like we probably don't want to talk about, for instance, like the height of a plane, because a plane is going to fly much higher than 125 or 95 feet. So that probably wouldn't be a good example. We want to use something that makes kind of sense in terms of the problem. So we can go pretty much anywhere we want as far as making up a word problem. Let's say that the vending machine was filled the other day, and since then we've sold 95 sodas. How many sodas are left in the machine? And then we're going to say when the machine was filled, which is going to take care of this y equals 125 part, there were 125 total sodas in the machine. Okay, so there you go. That's how you're going to fill in your blanks. So now we have to solve that algebraic expression. Again, we started off with 125 sodas in the machine when we refilled it the other day, and then we sold 95 of them, and they want to know how many sodas are left in the vending machine. So we're just going to do 125 minus 95, and that's 30. But again, that's just me evaluating the algebraic expression. That's not really the whole answer to that question. The answer to the question is really the story problem that we wrote there. And again, what we said there, and I'm going to do a little bit of short writing on this. You can lengthen this out to make it make perfect sense on your paper, but we're going to say we sold 95 sodas since the machine was refilled. You can add the words vending in there, but I'm just going to say the machine was refilled. And then we're going to say when it was full, it had 125 sodas. And then to get into actually solving it, we're going to say how many, as in how many sodas remain. And that's the big answer. That's why there's so many lines there to answer that question, because they want a story problem, something like this guy, written down, and then they also want that answer. Both components make up the solution to question 14.